All right. You filming?
Yeah.
Okay. So, we got a box in here. Hoping to find. Hopefully, it's not just packing peanuts. Hopefully, there is a made in Japan 1997 Ibanez RG. But let's get open.
Now weird with this box. It's tiny.
I know. It seems like really thin.
Yeah. It's a micro RG.
Yeah.
But they better have enough packing material in there.
Yeah.
I mean, if this damage is a problem.
Okay.
And unfortunately, they ship it at UPS. So it was a huge customs charge with it.
Yeah. UPS.
It was wow, just the bag.
Just the case. All right. Sure. Put this just here. It's a soft case. All right. Bust her open. I think it's at the top there, actually. Or is it flipped over?
Oh yeah, they wrapped it. That's good.
Sweet. Okay. Let's see. Taped up there. I don't even know what's in there. Ooh. There we go. All right.
Gold hardware.
That's sick. Yeah, the gold hardware. That is pretty cool. Boom. Damn, that is fucking cool. That is sick. Huh. Oh, I'll have to fix that. Interesting. Yeah. Cool Floyd Rose. Gold Floyd Rose, too. Yeah. Just the back. Sweet. Made in
Set that focus.
Japan. Will focus, yeah. Nice. Very cool. Oh, that's a cool, like, string tree. Sweet. But yeah, that's pretty sick. 5-way selection, tone, volume. Interesting. This thing is older than me, so I mean, it's got a little bit of wear. A little spot there. A little big ding there.
So the neck pocket's cracked.
It's not in perfect shape, but pretty cool nonetheless.
Nice stack.
Yeah. Sweet.
Interesting.
All right.
I got some flathead screws. A Phillips, the one missing. Oh, there's the springs down in there.
Oh, okay, I see. Very cool. It's an interesting Floyd Rose. It looks different.
Yeah, what is that?
That's weird.
Licensed? What? Licensed by who? Oh, patents. The pole pieces seem solid. That's good.
Yeah.
Broken out.
Huh. Well, goddamn.
Wow. Cool. Well, yeah.
All right. Well, hopefully we'll do a review on this one. But,
Yeah.
yeah. Thanks for watching. Sweet.